Third graders, I am Mrs. Miller and I am going to be your special education teacher this year. I am so excited to get to know you. Welcome back to school. I can't believe that summer is already over. It flew by. I hope you guys have had an amazing summer and did a lot of fun things and got outside. So my name is Mrs. Miller. I'm your homeroom special education teacher and your special education case manager this year. The first day of school is August 21st. That is a Tuesday. Please fill out the survey at the end of this video because I want to get to know a lot more about you. A little bit about Mrs. Miller. I live in Garland, Utah, which is almost the top of Utah. It's that green star right up here. Kind of a funny name. A fun fact for you. The house I live in right now that Mr. Miller and I bought is the house that I grew up in. So we were able to buy the house that I grew up in from my parents. So I feel like I'm in the house that I've always been in. I'm 26 years old. I graduated from Dixie State University and Western Governors University. This is my second year at UTVA and I have taught special education both years. And before Utah Virtual Academy, I taught first grade for 2 years. A little bit more about me, or kind of a lot. I love to do these things when I'm not at work, but I absolutely love working because I get to be with all of you amazing third graders. I like to go on walks with my baby, my 2 dogs, and my husband. His name is Brian. Usually to get a donut. We have a place here in town that sells the best donuts. I like to get outside and play any type of sport or game. I love to clean my house. It's a good stress reliever for me. I like to go on double dates with and without our adorable little baby girl Charlie. I love to bake desserts and indulge in them. I love going camping, backpacking, and mountain biking, playing board games, tutoring my nephew. I like to watch Netflix and just chill sometimes. And I like to send funny and awkward Marco Polo videos. It's an app on my phone to my family members. And of course, I love spending time with Mr. Miller, Brian. Up here in the top left corner is me, Brian, and our baby girl, Charlie. Oh man, I didn't realize this picture was so fuzzy, but this was a wedding. There are only 3 of my siblings in this picture out of 10. Can you believe that? I have 10 siblings. Here's a picture of my sister, my mom, and me, and then a camping trip. Actually, this is a backpacking trip that we did this summer with Charlie. And by the look on her face, she wasn't so sure about waking up that early that morning. And just some pictures that we took over the summer. There's baby Charlie, mostly in all of them, because she takes up a lot of my time. And when she was very first born. And this summer I did something brand new that I've never done before. I went to Ogden and did the indoor surfing. It was pretty fun, but super hard. All right, my favorite thing about teaching is you, every single one of you. I am so excited to meet you this year and to be your teacher. You are incredible, and I know you're going to be able to show me your superpowers this year in third grade, and I can't wait to get to know you more. Here is the survey that I was talking about at the beginning. Please complete this survey so I can learn more about you. I sent you an email telling you a bunch of information about me. Now I need to get to know you. So you can go ahead and type in this link, tinyurl.com/UTVA Miller1. That's a 1. And then this little picture right here says, hey, you, did you know that you matter? You absolutely do. And I just can't wait to see you guys, and welcome back to school.